What's up YouTube? Welcome back to Picky Garage. Today I am doing a review of Carpro Reset. This is the solution or car wash shampoo that I use to wash both my, actually all the cars that are ceramic coated. This is specifically formulated for ceramic coated cars. This kind of resets the ceramic coating, so you can get the most longevity out of your, ceramic coating, whatever ceramic coating you decide to use, whether that's Cquartz, Finest, whatever, Carpro. There's a whole bunch of different ceramic coating brands, but this Carpro Reset is formulated to restore the hydrophobic, gloss enhancement, and all those properties that you do in the first place to get your car ceramic coated. As you can see, my car is mighty dirty. I normally don't keep it this dirty, but I just wanted to show you guys how good this product is at cleaning the car. Also, you can just use this product as a standalone product, but I like to use Carpro Reset with products such as, I'll take you to the detailing bundle right here, Carpro Reload. This is a silica spray. This has more than 5% SiO2, which is the silicone, and this is when what you do when you would apply this when you dry the vehicle. I will do a standalone review of this product as well, but I just like to couple it with that. Also, I have right here, what is this called? Oh, PNS Bead Maker. It's the same kind of spray. These two I would say are on the same level, just the PNS Bead Maker is a lot cheaper. You can get a gallon for about 30 bucks. The way that I like to use, or I'll do a separate video for those products. I also do reviews on how I do a full in-depth detail of a non-ceramic car versus ceramic car, so forth. Just check out my YouTube channel. I have lots of videos on detailing products and reviews. How I use Carpro Reset, I do 2 ounces in the orange bucket. My orange bucket is always my washing bucket. That's what my microfiber wash mop goes in. Here is the Carpro Reset. I just put about 2 ounces in the bucket. This is my wash bucket. The orange bucket is always my wash bucket. The white bucket is always my rinse my mid-off bucket. As you can see, it foams up super nicely just for a little bit of liquid. I've gotten, I've probably washed my car, I want to say 15 times, and I am 3/4 through this, so it lasts for a while. You can also put it in the foam cannon while you're to foam the car. I did 1 pump of watermelon snow foam, 1 pump of Glossworks, and then probably about 1 ounce of the Carpro Reset. You can just use Carpro Reset for the foam cannon. It also works just as good. I wouldn't say it's as thick as a dedicated, foaming like snow foam solution, but it does a great job at covering the car. If you are just going to do Carpro Reset in the foam cannon, I would suggest using, probably upwards of 2 ounces, and like always, use with hot water. And then the white bucket is for my rinsing. So once I start washing my car, I have to get the mop on here. I rinse it in this white bucket, try to get the most debris off of it, then I go ahead and dip it in the suds bucket. You can use Carpro Reset as a standalone product for your foam gun. Just use 2 to 3 ounces. You don't get the optimal foam effect like you would if you use Mega Foam from Adams or Chemical Guys Snow Foam, but it works fine for just covering the car and clearing the car, or giving the car the initial coat of soap. So that's what I have in here is 1 ounce of Chemical Guy or the Carpro Reset, 1 pump of Glossworks, and 1 pump of the Chemical Guy Snow Foam. I kind of just mix it up, try different things, different formulas, try to get the most foam for the car. That works for me. If I didn't have a ceramic coated car, like the Show Taurus here, that's not ceramic coated, but so I wouldn't use Carpro Reset on that car. Carpro Reset, the only downside I have about this product is it is very expensive. I forget exactly how much, but all the details to everything I use will be in the description below. Straight to Amazon, you can click them, see, along with my full pressure washer setup, my buckets, my hose, my wand, filters, everything that I use. I also do reviews of that as well on my channel. But Carpro Reset is a very expensive product. It says, oh, here's diluting directions, where you, so 1.35 ounces for 5 gallons, so a 5-gallon jug. Wash your car thoroughly using a wool wash mat. 3, rinse with water. So it recommends to use skin and eye protection while using this product. But yeah, so you can use this product as standalone, but coupled with a silica sealant spray when you're drying and washing the car off, like the PNS Bead Maker and the Carpro Reload works great. I've used this product probably 15 times and it's amazing every time. You don't have to use it every time you wash your car, your ceramic coated car. With the Reset, I suggest that you wash your car with the Chemical Guy Reset at least once a month, just to restore the properties of the ceramic coating. After about 15 times that I've used this product or so, I would say it is a great product. It does what it is meant to do. If you don't have a ceramic coated car, don't use the product. You don't need it. It's a waste of money. You can still use silica sprays like the PNS Bead Maker. I would not use the Carpro Reload if your car isn't ceramic coated. This car, I use Carpro Reset once a month, so if I'm, you know, just regular wash on this car is ceramic coated. I normally use Glossworks or Mr. Pink or just some type of shampoo, and in the foam cannon I will just use straight snow foam with some Glossworks. But I'm not gonna bore you guys anymore. I do love this product. It already does a great job, or I can already tell you it does a great job at washing the car. As you can see, my car is filthy, so I'm gonna rinse it down with my MTM stainless steel attachments with the 40-degree nozzle. This is the Karcher 1700 PSI pressure washer. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this down, then I'm gonna foam it, and then I'm gonna wash it with the Carpro Reset. As you can see, my car is super hydrophobic. As I normally use the Carpro Reset a lot with all my washes, but I had my car ceramic coated, I would say 4 or 5 months ago, and it's still like it's the first day. My wheel's done, but that's pretty much what it'll do. If you want to make your ceramic coating last for a very long time, I do suggest picking yourself up some Carpro Reset. And it'll make your ceramic coating last a lot longer. If you don't use a Chemical Guys Reset and silica sprays, your ceramic coating will not last as long. If you keep up with your maintenance washes, you'll have this for a very long time. I would say up to 5 years if it's a garage kept vehicle. Alright guys, so I finished rinsing down the whole car. As you can see all the beading. There's a little bit of streaking, but you can see how the water beads up. This Reset will bring it back to when it was just done. like new settings. So right here I have the foam cannon and now, since it's pretty shady out, I'll just go ahead and foam the whole car. If the sun was out, I would just do 1/2 at a time so it doesn't get the sunspots. I do need to get a longer hose for this thing. I'm working on getting a 50-foot hose. Alright, now that the car is fully covered in the reset and everything, I will use my wash mop, brand new wash mitt. I use a new one pretty much every time if I'm going to do a touch wash on this car, just so I know that there's no imperfections in the mitt and it won't scratch my car. Just that preventative measure, especially when you are spending, you know, $500 to $1,000 on the ceramic coating. But yeah, so I just start with the top of the car just like I do any of my washes and just rinse it or wash it down, rinse it in the white bucket over there. Make sure that you have 2 buckets. Do the 2-bucket method. I can't stress that enough. This is kind of hard with one hand, but yeah, so I'm just gonna wash this whole car down. Let me get a little rinse off. And then I will move to my next step, which is the drying method. But you guys will see once I wash it off, you can see how slick the paint looks. And if you just want to use Carpro Reset, that's all you really have to do. But I just like going above and beyond to make sure that my car is super protected and super, you know, rejuvenated with the ceramic coating and the hydrophobic properties and the glossiness. So let me go ahead and wash mop the rest of this thing down, and I will continue once I'm ready to rinse it. Alright guys, so the whole car has been alright guys, so the whole car has been washed down with Reset, so I'm just going to spray off the soap and that'll be it. Everything that you really need to know of how to use Carpro Reset. Like I said, use it once a month. I would say I would say to use it once a month just to restore the hydrophobic and every type of property I would say to restore the hydrophobic properties of your ceramic coating and to make it like you you just had it done. It pretty much brings it back to brand new. And this will make your ceramic coating last for years instead of just 1 year or a couple months, depending on the level of your coating and the brand, yada yada yada. But this will totally extend the life of your ceramic coatings. That's pretty much it. Like I said, you can top it with a silica spray. I think I might actually do a review. I have Meguiar's ceramic detailing, and that's like a silica spray. So I might use that on this guy to do my drying process. I actually have to do my wheels as well. I just noticed they're pretty dirty. I hate that rust, but I have a process to eliminate rust, which is also awesome. That's on my YouTube as well. But yeah, guys, great product. I've used it, like I said, this is probably the 16th wash with this product. I can't say enough good things about it. The only negative that I really have about it is that it's very expensive. I wish that there was a brand out there that would come out with something like that, but I give other brands about a year or 2 years, and they'll have a product like this and probably a lot cheaper. So I'll review that as well. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, I always respond to each and every one of you on my YouTube. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's Piggy Garage. And stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for your time. Bye.